Students, we are going to learn how to upload the PDF of your answer scripts in the mail ID provided by the school. Once you receive your question paper and complete writing your answers, you have to make a PDF by using any PDF scanning app that is available in the Google Play Store, and then you have to send the PDF, the link of the PDF in the mail ID that will be provided by the school. First of all, what you need to do, you need to go to the Play Store and search for a scanning app. In my case, I am searching for Adobe Scan. Once I search it and then install it, we are going to open the app. After the app is opened, then we need to take pictures of the answer script that you have done. Let's say my answer script has 3 pages. Firstly, we are going to take the picture of the first page. As soon as I take the picture of the first page, you are going to see that the picture has been saved at the bottom of the page, as you can see. Then for the second page, I am going to take a picture of the second page. You can see the picture has been saved at the bottom of the page. And for the third page, in this way we are going to scan our answer script. After we have successfully taken all the pictures that we need, we are going to, if we need, we can crop this also, that is we can resize it and select the portion which I want to send, which I want to scan, and then like for the first page I want to scan this particular portion, this full page. Then we are going to click on the right sign, tick mark on the top of the screen. In this way we are going to check for the other pages also whether they are properly scanned or not. Remember, we need to scan them properly so that the teachers can see all of your answers. After you have scanned all the pages that you have written in your examination, we are going to click on this scan 10 June 2021, this word at the top of the page. I hope you can see the pencil mark. You are going to click on the pencil mark on the top of the page, which is here, okay, at the top. And then we are going to rename our PDF. Remember, for the school to identify your answer script, it should be renamed properly so that it becomes easier for us to find your answer script. For that, we are going to give you a particular format and you have to strictly follow that format. First of all, you need to write the branch name, that is, you are from which institution, a St. Xavier's institution Panihati or St. Xavier's institution Ruia. For my case, I am writing SXI Panihati. If you are from SXI Panihati, you are going to write SXI Panihati at the top. Then, and if you are from SXI Ruia, you are going to write SXI Ruia. Then we are going to give a hyphen mark and we are going to write the subject name. Okay. For the subject name, it is your subject. Let's say my subject is mathematics. Then we are going to write mathematics. Then we are going to give another hyphen and write your name. Let's say my name is Shagnik Roy. I am going to write my full name. Then we are going to give another hyphen and give the class. Let's say it is 8. Then after another hyphen, we are going to give the section. Let's say F. And another hyphen, we are going to give the roll number. Let's say 10. After we have successfully renamed our PDF, that is SXI Panihati, the branch name. After that a hyphen, then the subject name. Then after another hyphen, we are going to give your name. You have to give your own name, and then followed by with hyphens your class hyphen section hyphen roll number. After we have done that, we are going to click on the rename button and our PDF will be renamed. After this, we are going to click on the save PDF option that is there on the top right hand portion of the page in blue color. You can see that the scanner is saving this as a PDF. It can be seen on the top of the paper, okay, and it is also showing uploading. You have to wait for 1-2 minutes depending on your net connection. After it has been done, what we need to do, we need to click on the share button that is there, and you will see there are three options: share link, email, and share a copy. You need to share the link. For that, click on the share link option, and you will see that the options available to us for sharing. We have to choose the Gmail option for sharing our PDF. You will see that our PDF has been uploaded to the mail. We have to, you can see that in the subject it is automatically SXI Panihati mathematics, then the your name, and followed by the class, section, and roll number. Then you need to type the mail ID in which you have to send. Suppose it is SXI exam @gmail.com. Remember, it is only a demo. It is only a demo email and not the original email. The original emails will be provided to you on the top of the question papers or by the institution on the day of the exam. Every day the emails will change, and you have to separately and very carefully choose the mails for which you are going to send the copies to. Okay, followed by that, you need to write your subject name properly. What should be your subject of the mail? For the subject of the mail, you need to write your school name, that is again SXI Panihati or SXI Ruia from which you belong. Suppose for my case it is SXI Panihati. Then after a hyphen, you have to write your subject name, that is mathematics. After another hyphen, you have to write your own name. For my case it is Shagnik Roy. And after another hyphen, you have to write your class, then hyphen, section, hyphen, roll number. Remember, you have to correctly write your subject name, your school name, and your own name, because if you do not write them correctly, then we will have problem finding your copy. Remember to write it very carefully and correctly. After that, once you have written everything, you are going to click on the blue button on the top, that is the send button on the top, and you are going to send the mail to the designated mail ID. You are going to see that the mail has been sent successfully.